How to boost testosterone hormone naturally. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of male sexual characteristics. It is also found in lower levels in females, and has important functions for both genders. Boosting testosterone levels naturally can be beneficial for improving overall health, particularly for men who may be experiencing low testosterone levels. Here are some lifestyle changes and habits that may help you to increase and boost testosterone production naturally. Number 1. Healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, including proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Include foods that are high in zinc and vitamin D, such as lean meats, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and fortified dairy products, because these are important for testosterone production. Number 2. Regular exercise. Engage in both resistance training and cardiovascular exercises. Resistance training, like weightlifting, can help stimulate testosterone production. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week. Number 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels. Cortisol can negatively impact testosterone production. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to improve your testosterone level. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, is associated with lower testosterone levels. Losing weight through a combination of diet and exercise can help boost your testosterone level. Number 5. Limit alcohol and avoid excessive drinking. High alcohol consumption can lower testosterone levels. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. Number 6. Avoid overtraining. Intense and prolonged exercise without sufficient recovery can lead to decreased testosterone levels. Make sure to allow your body to recover adequately between workouts. Number 7. Adequate sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to boost your testosterone level, because inadequate sleep can lead to reduced testosterone levels. Number 8. Manage chronic health conditions. Conditions like obesity, diabetes, and sleep apnea can negatively affect testosterone levels. Proper management of these conditions can help improve your testosterone level. Number 9. Nutritional supplements. Some supplements may help support testosterone production, including vitamin D, zinc, and fenugreek. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements, because they may have side effects or interact with other medications. In the end, it is important to note that while these lifestyle changes can help improve testosterone levels, but they may not be a substitute for medical treatment in cases of diagnosed hypogonadism. Hypogonadism is a medical condition characterized by low testosterone level. If you suspect you have a medical issue related to low testosterone, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider for a proper evaluation and potential treatment options. So, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Follow us for more health tips. Thank you.